Dear students, last class we have discussed 6 examples on ellipse. So remaining examples we'll discuss it in this session. So let us begin with the example number 7. So in this question we have two statements and we have to verify the following, which among these is a right answer. That is, the first statement says that an equation of a common tangent to the parabola, here this is a parabola, and next ellipse, we have this is a equation of a ellipse and the tangent is given by y equal to 2x plus 2 root 3. Statement 2 says that a line, it is a y equal to mx plus c, c is 4 root 3 divided by m, is a common tangent to a parabola. This is a equation of a parabola, and ellipse, the equation they have given it, and they satisfy the relation m raised to 4 plus 2m square plus 24. This one we have to verify it. So statement 1 is given, statement 2 is given. So both are true, or else first true, second false, first false, second true, and see true statement. So explanation 1 is correct, second is correct, that we have to verify it this very clearly. Okay, so let us begin with what they have given. So we'll start from that. So here like in a statement 1, they are given the equation of a ellipse. Ellipse is, it is a 2x square plus y square is equal to 4. Now I write it in a standard form. Standard form means we have to write in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. For this, no, so throughout the equation we have to divide it by 4 here. So we will divide it by 4, we get x square. 2 by 4 we are going to get it as a 2. Next y square by 4 we are going to get it. So 4 by 4 we are going to get it as a 1. So further see x square by a square value is 2, therefore a we are going to get it as a root 2. Then y square by b square is 4, so b we are going to get it as a 2 here. Then we have a equation of a tangent. So it is given by the formula y equal to, it is a mx plus or minus under the square root of a square m square plus b square. So this is a formula. Then we have to substitute the value of a and b here. So a and b value we know, just we have to substitute. So I am going to write this as y equal to mx plus or minus under the square root of a square root 2 square is a 2 m square plus b square, it is a 2 square, we are going to get it as a 4. I call this equation as a equation 1. So this is our equation 1. So now I am going to take the equation of a parabola. So parabola, it is given in a first statement. So y square equal to 16 root 3 x. So our standard form of a parabola is, I am going to write just below that, y square equal to, it is a 4ax here. So just compare x coefficient with the x coefficient. So x coefficient is 4a equal to x coefficient 16 root 3. Then a we are going to get it as, it is a 4, we have to transport it, 16 by 4 we are going to get it as a 4 root 3. So very clear it is. Then they have given the equation. So equation of a ellipse, equation of a tangent y equal to mx plus a by m. So here we'll substitute the value of a. So we get a y equal to mx plus 4, a is 4 root 3 divided by m as it is. I call it as a equation 2. Okay, now we have to compare equation 1 and equation 2. This is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. Comparing, so y equal to mx, y equal to mx, same it is. So rest other things we have to equate it. So we get root of 2m square plus 4. So root of it is a 2m square plus 4 is equal to 4 root 3 divided by m. So from equation 1 and 2, and squaring, we have to do a squaring to avoid the square root. So we are going to get this as 2m square plus 4 square root get cancels equal to 4 root 3 whole square. We are going to get it as a 48 divided by m square, we get it. So then further, so avoid the denominator m square, so multiply to a numerator, multiply throughout the equation by m square. So we get this as 2m raised to 4 plus 4m square equal to 48. Now we will observe that, so 2 is a common in this equation, so dividing by 2 we get m raised to 4 plus 2m square equal to 24, we get it. So this is a required simplification, we are going to get it here. So this is nothing but a statement 2 solution here, okay, satisfying the equation. So looking at this, we will observe that statement 1 is a true, as well as statement 2 is 2 also, it is a true. Then option A and D, it will become a same. Further we have to investigate this one. So analyzing this one, we'll observe that statement 2 is a correct explanation for statement 1. So because we have derived the relation, that is m raised to 4 plus 2m square equal to 24, therefore statement 2 is a correct explanation for a statement 1 it is. Therefore clearly the option D is a right answer. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is a correct explanation for statement 1 here. Okay, so like this we have to simplify. This is a first page of a simplification, this is our second page here. Okay. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The question is, an ellipse is drawn by taking a diameter of a circle x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1, and it's a semi-major axis. So diameter is nothing but it is a semi-major axis, and diameter of a second circle is a semi-major axis. Okay, so it is a major axis. So diameter of a first circle is, so circle it is, equation of a circle, semi minor axis it is, and diameter of a second circle is, it is a semi major axis. If a center of the ellipse is at a origin and its axes are like coordinates axis, then the equation of a ellipse we have to calculate here. So I'm going to write this one using a diagram. I'm going to draw the ellipse here. This is our ellipse. So further, so first equation, so it is a x, there is a variable, so it will become a major axis, and the next one we will observe that this will be our minor axis here. Y coordinate is minor axis, so x coordinate is major axis, y coordinate is minor axis. Then further we have a equation, so it is x minus 1 square plus y square equal to 1. So this represents, it is equation of a circle, and standard equation is x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equal to r square, so r square equal to 1. So r equal to, we are going to get it as a 1 here. Then we have to find a diameter. Diameter formula is d equal to, it is a 2 times r it is, so 2 into r radius is 1, so 2 into 1, 2 we are going to get it. So diameter is 2, and we will observe that which is represent, so minor axis. So here it is told here minor axis. Minor axis means I told you this is a y-axis. So y-axis y square by b square. So this will represent the b here. So 2 equal to b, we can write it here. So next a we have to calculate. For that I am going to use the second equation of a circle here. So that equation is x square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 4. So further, so we will observe that r square equal to 4, r square equal to 4. So we get r equal to 2 here. So then we have to find a diameter. Diameter is 2 times the radius. So it is a 2 into radius is 2 here. So 2 into 2, 4 it will represent. And so it will represent what? So it is a major axis. So major axis means x coordinate. So x square by a square. So this 4 it will represent the a here. So we have calculated a and b. Then now we have to consider standard equation of a ellipse. Standard equation of a ellipse is x square by a square. So x square by a square is 4 square. We are going to get it as a 16. Next y square by b square. B square is 2. 2 square is 4 equal to 1 here. So now this option is not there among A, B, C, D. Then LCM we have to multiply. 4 and 16. LCM is a 16. Therefore multiply equation by a 16. So RHS we get it as a 16 easily. Option B is the right answer, or else further you can simplify. 16 and 16 get cancels. We get a x square, and 4 ones are 4 4s are 16. So 4 y square we get it. Therefore, so this is a right answer. Therefore, option B is a correct option here. Right? Okay. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay. We'll move to a next example. Example number 9. So the equation of a circle passing through a foci. So foci formula, you know, it is AE comma 0. X coordinate is AE, y coordinate is 0, and they are given equation of a ellipse and having center at 0 comma 3 is equation. Which among these is right? We have to calculate here. So here x square by a square, standard equation of a ellipse, it is x square by a square it is. So a square equal to 16 we get it. B square equal to, we are going to get it as a 9. So further a we are going to get it as a 4, b we are going to get it as a 3 here. Then I use the relation between a, b and e in case of a ellipse. So using that we get this as b square equal to a square 1 minus e square. So b, it is a 3, 3 square 9, a is 4, 4 square 16, 1 minus e square it is. So then further write a solution for a e square. So 9 by 16 equal to 1 minus e square it is, 1 minus e square. So further e square solution is, it is 1 minus 9 by 16 it is. So further we'll simplify this one. So take a LCM, we get e square equal to 7 by 16 it is. So further writing a solution for a e, 7 is not a perfect square, so I write root 7 by root of a 16. We are going to get it as a 4. Then we have to find the foci. So foci, the formula is, it is AE plus or minus AE comma 0. It is a plus or minus. A is 4, E is root 7 by 4 it is, comma 0. Then numerator and denominator 4 get cancels. So we get a foci as plus or minus root 7 comma 0 we are going to get it. Then we'll find R now. So R formula is, it is AE plus B square AE. So it is a AE is root 7, we get it. B square, B is 3 square is 9, we are going to get it. Then now it will pass through the point they have given. So center is 0, 3, 0, 3. Associated equation we have to write it. So it is a x minus 0 square. Next we get a y minus 3 square. Radius is a 4, so I write a 4 square it is. Then simplifying this equation, we get as x square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0 here. That is y minus 3 square, we have to apply a minus b whole square. 4 square as a 16. Transporting to LHS, simplifying, we get this expression here. So we get this expression. Therefore option B is a right answer. Option B is a right answer. So this is a first page solution. This is our second page simplification. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Example number 10. It is given that the locus of the foot of a perpendicular drawn from the center of the ellipse is given by the formula. So it is a equation x square plus 3y square equal to 6 on the tangent. So here RHS is 6, so we have to divide it by 6 here. So we get x square divided by 6, y square by 3 divided by 6, we are going to get it as a 2, 6 by 6 we are going to get it as a 1. Okay, then further, foot is a perpendicular, foot is perpendicular to h comma k, it is h comma k. Then associated equation is xh plus ky equal to k square plus h square it is. Further we write equation of a tangent, or else we'll write a solution for a y here first. We'll write a solution for a y. Y we get it as minus h divided by k into x plus k square plus h square divided by k. Then further we will write standard equation of a tangent y equal to mx plus c. It is a standard equation of a tangent. Then comparing c square, I am writing c square equal to a square m plus b square. This is a tangent condition here. So I have taken this c, comparing c square, we are going to get it as a k square plus h square divided by k, okay, whole square c. Dear students, c value is k square h square divided by k. Similarly m value is minus h divided by k, and y itself it is. Okay, so that I have used here in this. So a square is, it is a 6, b square is, it is a 2 from standard equation of a parabola. Okay, so sorry, ellipse it is. So a square, it is a 6, m square, b square, it is a 2. So further we have to simplify this one. Okay, so simplifying this, we are going to get it as, so further I write m value also, it is a 6, it is a minus h by k whole square plus 2 then k square h square by k whole square it is. Then further we'll simplify it. So simplification, we get this as k square plus h square whole square equal to 6h square plus 2k square. Then we'll take k value as a x, h value as a y. So we get this as x square plus y square whole square equal to 6x square plus 2y square. Okay, so this is a equation we are going to get it. Therefore we have to search among the options. Yes, so you observe that option C is the right answer. X square plus y square whole square equal to 6x square plus 2y square it is. So this is a first page of a solution, second page it is. Okay. We'll move to one more example. So this will be the last example. So area in a square unit, it is of a quadrilateral formed by the tangent we have to find at the end of the lattice rectum to the ellipse. So here this is a equation of a diagram of a ellipse. Here this is a p dash, so length of a lattice rectum here. Okay, so we'll simplify this. I take equation of a ellipse. Ellipse is x square by 9 plus y square by 5 equal to 1. So then we will observe that quadrilateral formed by the tangent ends of a lattice rectum. Okay, so if you focus at a diagram, so we are going to get this as a 2 and y coordinate will be 5 by 3 here. So looking at the equation of a ellipse, we can write it here using a standard formula. And the relation between a and b is a equal to 3 times b. Okay, so and this is equal to, it is a root 5. B value is b square equal to 5, b is root 5. Okay, then I write a relation between a and b. So it is a e square equal to 1 minus b square by a square. It is 1 minus b by a. B is 5, b square is 5, a square is 9, because so here this is a square, this is our b square here. Using this I have written. So we get e square, taking a LCM, simplifying, we are going to get it as a 4 by 9. So e we are going to get it as a, it is a 2 by 3 here, 2 by 3. This is a solution for a e it is. And see this area, it will represent a rhombus here. Okay, so rhombus area is 2 a square by e. So 2 a is a 9 from a given equation. A is a 9, so a square is 9, and e just now only we have calculated 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 here, 2 get cancels, so 3 we have to transport it in a numerator, so 9 3s are 27, we get it. So 27 is a right answer. Option B is a right answer. Okay, dear students, in this example, so we have calculated e value. So remaining example we'll discuss it in a next session. So practice such type of examples. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.